In my motorhome tire mounting video, at the end, I did not have video showing me actually mounting the tire back on the rim. I saved two of those tires for a friend of mine, and we mounted them up as spares. So I asked him to videotape that because a friend of mine is going through the same process. So hopefully this helps him and someone else. All right. Okay, Arland, this is for you. He is not a tire mechanic, he says. He's actually in the marketing for big boats, James.
Yeah?
Yeah. And
What type of lubrication are you using there?
yep, that size bucket, I've already done probably 10 tire, well, including the motorhome I did 6, right? We use the same lubricant on the 4 tires on your truck, right, James?
Well, yep.
Yep, so I've probably done maybe 20, 25 tires off of that bucket.
Wow.
So that's literally a lifetime supply. So I had the temptation to buy a 5-gallon bucket because it was on sale.
Right.
I'm glad I talked myself out of it.
Yeah, that probably would have been a waste.
Yeah. We go waste. So back in the day, I could actually take and just push this on in one motion. Right? Well, those days are over. So you just kind of work it. And if you're lucky, it just falls on. And if not, what I do for that last couple inches is I take just a dead blow hammer instead of using this because I want to protect the bead, and I just give it some taps. Okay. What I do here, jump on the tire, keep 1 foot planted. And then just work it around. If you grab too big of a bite at once, you can damage the rim. So I grab small bites. In here, it's just easier to use a smaller tire iron. That's that.
Notice how effortless he makes it seem.
Dude, I'm an old man. So, a lot of people work too hard to air these up. I do have that feed tank. But never really use it on these. So what I do is I'll lift the tire up, and then I roll it. Here we go. That tire is already taken air. So James, on the counter, how much time do we got?
4 minutes and 45 seconds.
Okay, Arlen, that's your goal. If it takes you longer, okay, so on the front, I run 100 PSI. On the back, I run 110. And Motorhome handles well that way. Hope this helps you, brother.
Sure helped me.